মহারাজা তোমারে সেলাম 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 সেলাম.
Dear Sir, hope the other side is treating you well, Maharaj. Well, everyone knows that there's always some room for improvisation, and one is sure that you are making the most of it. You have been a mind boggler for many, as one might be right in asking, how can one person be so many things at once? You started as a graphic illustrator and even created 2 award-winning Bangla fonts. Then you joined the advertising agency. When you finally stepped into filmmaking, you wrote the scripts, screenplays, directed it. You were the man behind the camera, a songwriter, and what not. How in heaven, well, where you are right now, can someone be a detective and a scientist as the same person? Only a man with such a mogojastro like yours could do something like that. Right from Pother Pachali, Oporajito, Opur Sangsar, Jalsaghar, Charulata, Arunyer Dinratri, Shatranj Ke Khiladi, and so on, you gave us masterpieces one after another. For Bangalis, Lekha Pora Kore Je, Gari Ghora Chore Se was the go-to mantra when they didn't want to open their books. Feluda was the man everyone wanted to be. Growing up, they realized that your movies were not what it seemed as a child. Like Tagore's works, yours too had many layers to it that unfolded every time they watched it. In college, while they did their share of union baji and politics, even now, they raised their voices with Dori Dhore Marotan, Raja Hobe Khan Khan, and sang Hore Halla Raja Sena, Tora Juddho Kore Korbi Kita Bol. You taught them that adulting is not easy. You taught them that people are stronger than their chosen leaders, that a good will always win over evil, that ego eventually falls, that there is a power mightier than science. Your music is haunting and soul-stirring at the same time, and one must completely agree because even today, Bangalis go back to your creations whenever they face their childhood in the mirror. Today is your 99th birthday, sir. Happy birthday, Mr. Satyajit Ray. You will live forever with every word, every scene, every movie, every song, every story you have given. And they really, really hope that every generation loves you as much as Bangalis do. At least some of them will ensure that their kids are blessed with your creations like they were. One is sure that you have enough great actors with you there to make another classic. The world is waiting to watch, sir. With love from every Bangali kid who never grew up.